Hey everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tina with Tina's Inspired Art. We're going to be doing a Botanical Dutch Pour today, and I think this pour is going to be gorgeous. We're working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, so a nice square canvas today. We're going to be using a nice light gray house interior paint. It's got a thicker consistency, as you can see, but I think it's gonna come out pretty nice. So I'll give this a nice little stir. And yeah, I think that consistency is pretty nice. So I think we're about ready to begin this pour. I'm gonna do something kind of whimsical. My focal point will be off center, I think, today. And let's see what this is going to look like. We'll start off with an iridescent white, an olive green. I've got a light violet, a nice bright cadmium yellow, and there's a chance I might have a iridescent purple in there, and my blue black in there. And this one is an iridescent as well. So I'm trying to decide if I need those two colors. Time to cover my canvas. I always start on the outside first. Seems to work out best for me. And then I kind of make an X in the middle. And then I just swirl it around. It's probably going to take a good much of that. This 2 cups worth of paint on this 20 by 20. Get my tweezers. I see a little bit of a clump. You see those clumps? Get them out right away. Yeah, I think this consistency so far is looking pretty good. I did let this paint sit out a little while I was doing something else, and sometimes it gets a little thicker, so adding just a touch of water if you need it kind of helps. A nice gray color though. What I did with this gray is I just mixed a black and a gray or a white and a black together. I think I want to start with an off center. Yeah, off center. I'll do about right here. Put a dot right there because that's reminding me of where I want everything to kind of come together. And I'm actually going to do just some drawing of leaves, like almost. Sometimes you can just add layers. Just to make them stand out a little bit more, but intertwined. So probably enough paint on there. We're gonna get ready to blow this one out. I have no idea. I've never used this combination. I have no idea what it'll look like, but I am willing to give it a try. gonna we have some bubbles popping, and now we're ready to do this blowout. Let's see what it'll look like. I'm excited. Let's go. I'm going to start right in here and work my way around. Yeah, I think this really turned out beautiful. These colors are fabulous. I'm thinking that there's a possibility you can hang this in a diagonal direction and or square like this. About time to get started. I've got my little rag on the botanical technique, so I think we'll get right into it, guys. I think she's looking gorgeous with my design. I'm going to put that focal point right in this area here. I think she'll look best right there. Right about here. She looks really pretty. With the gray background, you tend to see the lines a little less than you would if it was a white background. So I always keep that in mind as I'm creating it. But you can still see the definition as I'm bringing it all together. Really starts to form. To just fix the middle a little bit, but she's looking really pretty. colors look really good together, and against that deeper background, they just really look pretty. I just see some natural lines in here that are all coming towards that center, so I'm just kind of following it, letting it really make itself. That yellow that I'm seeing in here really just adds a whole lot of brightness to those colors. I'm so glad that I added it. Not really seeing maybe on the edges, but not really seeing that white iridescent that I was hoping for. So it really did not do what I thought it was going to do or what I had hoped, but it does look really pretty. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. I'm gonna clean up the center real quick. Swirl it a little bit better. Make sure that it's just nice and round in the middle. I'm gonna add this yellow first. That will make that center look a little better. Cleans it up nicely, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of this right on top. Right to the center, so that kind of makes it a lot nicer. I think she looks really pretty, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, give it a like. It helps my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Go check out my other paintings I've done. You can check out my website where I sell all of my art. It's always available, and I usually post the new ones at least a week after they've dried. So this one will be posted. You can check me out at www.tinasinspiredart.com, and thanks again for being here, and I appreciate all of your support. Bye for now.